Going on, guys? As you can see, we are on Apple's homepage of their website here, and if you were just looking, you would not know there's been an update, but there actually has, and it is to one of their most popular accessories, and that would be the AirTags. So, like I said, scrolling on the homepage, you wouldn't even know it, and even until you go into AirTags, unless you scroll down, that is where you'd get the first sign of this being updated. And as you can see, it says with a speaker that's 50% louder and up to a 1.5 times greater precision finding range, the next generation of AirTag makes it easier than ever to keep track of what matters, attach wherever you want, yada yada. But you have to scroll down a little more and you won't even see a lot of details giving you the specifications or anything like that in regards to this update. You actually will need to go into the Apple newsroom and see the latest news here as being updated at time of recording 20 minutes ago. And then when you go into here, it gives you a much more thorough update. So I'm going to scroll down and give you exactly what's new here. And as you can see, it says enhanced range and findability. Apple's second generation ultra wideband chip, the same chip found in the iPhone 17 series, iPhone Air, Apple Watch Ultra 3, and Series 11, powers the new AirTag, make it easier to locate than ever before. Using haptics, visuals, and audio feedback, precision finding guides users to their lost items from up to 50% farther away than previous generations. That is awesome. An upgraded Bluetooth chip is the range at which items can be located. For the first time, users can use precision finding on older generations, the Apple Watch Series 9 or later, and the Apple Watch Ultra 2 or later, to find their AirTags, bringing a powerful experience to the wrist. With its updated internal design, the new AirTag is 50% louder, kind of what we were just talking about. This is literally the only part that was listed on Apple's own storefront, which is pretty interesting. I don't think any leaks happened about this new AirTag coming out. I could be wrong, but from all of these new details, those seem to be the biggest selling points for the AirTag. Longer distance, louder tracking speakers, updated ultra wideband chip or UWB, and I think this is a great update. Now, I will say too, they also kept the price exactly the same, as you can see, $9 for a single pack, or you can get a 4-pack for $100. I think this is one of the best options out there for tracking. However, I've personally ran into issues since it's not always connected and pings the network to find other devices in the area in order to trigger where your AirTag is. It's not ideal for certain situations, but it is not bad in a pinch. I am somewhat surprised, like I said, that nothing is listed on the homepage here for this update. Usually Apple likes to somewhat put front and center updates to their products, even accessories, as you can see here for AirPods 3 and all that, but there's nothing here at all. So it makes me think that this is only going to be a subtle nod update for people that might just happen to stumble upon it or might just happen to be in the market for that new tracker. Aside from that, there's not even a new tag on the Explore accessories details for the selection screen or anything like that, but let me know in the comments down below what you think of Apple surprisingly dropping this new update for the AirTags. Again, big fan. I think it's cool to have. It looks like this will be released on the 28th, so on Wednesday in only a couple of days timing. Since this actually did come out today, this could be our start of our updates, and I am still fully believing we will get iOS 26.3 Beta 3 in a couple hours today as well. Thanks for watching.